Hey guys, and welcome to Techy Taca. The Google Play Store is easily the most well-known marketplace for Android apps and games. The popularity can be attributed to the fact that a majority of the big names release their apps in the Play Store. However, there are other app stores too out there from where one can download Android applications, such as the Amazon App Store, the Galaxy App Store, and F-Droid, to name a few. A unique feature about F-Droid is that all the apps that it showcases are free and open source, eliminating the fear of data theft. In this video, we'll have a look at 7 of these open source apps from F-Droid. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First up, we have Aurora Droid by Rahul Kumar Patel, and it's basically an unofficial client for F-Droid itself. It hosts the same apps as F-Droid does, but has a modern and sleek design, giving it an aesthetic edge. It also displays the apps in categories like multimedia and money, and searching for a particular app is made easy with the help of additional filters. So, if you're someone who's bored of the user interface of F-Droid, be sure to check this one out. Also, we'll be using Aurora Droid to have a look at the other apps in the video. At number 2, we have Guerrilla Mail by the one with the braid, which provides the user a temporary disposable email address that can be used to reduce the spam at the user's primary address. Once installed and opened, the app shows the inbox with all the mails that have been received. There's no need to register and you get a temporary email address, which can be seen when you swipe up. You can use this email address to sign up for a service that requires an email address, view the confirmation email in the inbox, and do the needful. Any further communication from the service, which will most likely be spam messages, will be zapped by Guerrilla Mail. Next up, we have Léon by Sven Jacobs, and it's a URL cleaner that removes trackers and other redundant parameters from links that you might want to share or forward to others. It helps in reducing the risk of privacy attacks and keeps you and the recipient of the link safe. Using it is quite simple and can be done by sharing the link via the URL cleaner, which will remove all parameters that could prove to be harmful, and is definitely something to try out. Moving on, the next app in the list is SpotiFlyer by Shabinder Singh. The app allows a user to download songs from Spotify, Gaana, YouTube Music, and JioSaavn. You just have to search for the song that you want to download, copy the link, and paste it here, which will redirect you to the download section. Once downloaded, you can play it as many times as you want, without worrying about losing data, or worse, those pesky ads about some random guy and his band and his long road trip. At number 5, we have LBRY, which is a free, open source, and community run digital marketplace. In their words, LBRY does to publishing what Bitcoin did to money. LBRY aims to decentralize the digital content space and allow for the user to control their data. There are a lot of famous creators active on the platform, like Minute Physics. The platform allows the creators and publishers to sell their content, which is done on the blockchain that hosts it. Accessing the blockchain data is free, the costs for downloading content are transparent, and publishers earn 100% of the price they set, without any deductions. Even if you're not a content creator, there are many others whom you could support here, and it's definitely a platform to check out. Next up, we have Vigilante by Funky Muse. This app focuses on the user's privacy and informs them as and when any third-party application uses their device camera or microphone. The app does require full control of your device, which you must grant at the start. Once done, Whenever the user opens an application that accesses a camera or microphone, a notification pops up alerting the user. The app does not require the internet to function and also keeps a history of all camera and microphone alerts. If you are someone who's worried about your privacy but wish to keep using third-party applications, this app is a must-have. Finally, at the end of our list, we have an interesting app called Planisphere. It's a simple star chart that shows stars, constellations, and planets in real time. It can also track your GPS location, which can also be entered manually, to show the star map from your perspective. There are different filters that can be applied to declutter the map, and the user can also search for planets that can be seen with the naked eye. So, the next time you go stargazing, this app will let you learn a lot about the different entities in our universe. With that, we have come to the end of our list. All the apps mentioned here are free, open source, free of ads and trackers, and the links to download them are listed out in the description below. If you like the video, do consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Until next time, peace out.